Wait, do you know that most online brands are now selling products without hiring real models? Yes, no studio, no camera, no influencer, yet they are getting crazy sales. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to make UGC-style ads, but had no model, no budget, and no shooting setup? What if I tell you, today you can create professional UGC ads only with AI? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create high-converting UGC ads using TopView AI that look like real people, talk like real influencers, and convert like paid ads, but made 100% by AI. Before we start, comment AI if you want to learn how to make UGC ads without any camera or model. And tell me, are you a brand owner, dropshipper, or content creator? Now let's jump into TopView AI and build our first AI UGC ads together. In this walkthrough, we're going to explore the core features offered by this platform. Once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see the complete list of available tools. You will notice that there are several features available, such as Avatar, Viral Video Agent, and more. Since our goal here is to create UGC-style ads, the best option for us is Product Avatar. So let's click on Product Avatar. After entering this section, you will see a clean and well-designed interface. At the top, you'll find two modes, Auto Mode and Manual Mode. Between these two, Manual Mode offers much better control and customization, so we'll select Manual Mode. On the left side, you'll find a wide collection of avatars. You can browse through them and choose a model that best matches your product and brand identity. For this example, we'll select this avatar. Next, upload an image of your product. In this case, we're using a beauty cream. The system will automatically remove the background from the product image. After that, you can resize, rotate, and reposition the product to fit it perfectly into the avatar's pose. Once everything looks good, click Generate to create two preview images. Generating these two images will cost 1 credit, and within about 1 minute, both preview images will be ready. As you can see, the AI creates very natural and realistic interactions between the avatar and the product, regardless of the product's shape, size, or weight. Now, select the preview you like and click Create Avatar to turn it into a video. At this stage, you'll be able to choose between 3 different avatar modes. Since this scene includes a complex background and a nearly full-body avatar, the best choice here is Avatar 4, which supports full-body movement, lip synchronization, and advanced object interaction. At the bottom, enter the script that the avatar will speak in the video. Here, I'm pasting a pre-written script that I want the model to say. Next, click on the AI voice option. You'll find a wide variety of voices here. Choose a voice that matches your character and the character's age. At the top, you'll see filtering options. First, click on Supported Language and select the language you want. I'm choosing English. Then, select the gender. After that, choose the age. Here I'm selecting middle age. Click on Style and choose UGC. Then click on Accent and select American. After applying all these filters, you'll see several suitable voices appear. Choose the perfect one from the list. Finally, click Generate. You can create videos up to 120 seconds in length. And now that our AI UGC video is ready,
I've been carrying this bottle everywhere lately, and honestly, it keeps my water cold for hours. I love how fresh my water feels even after a long day. The design is simple but looks really stylish. It fits perfectly in my bag and car cup holder. Staying hydrated has never felt this easy.
let me show you something even more powerful, because TopView AI doesn't stop only at Product Avatar. There is another feature inside this platform that can literally turn viral videos into your own branded ads, and this is called Viral Video Agent. This feature is specially designed to help you recreate trending TikTok and Reels videos with your own product, without renting studios, hiring editors, or shooting anything yourself. So from the dashboard, let's click on Viral Video Agent. Once you enter, you'll notice a very clean and simple interface. At the bottom, you'll find a collection of trending videos provided by the platform. You can choose any of these viral videos, or you can also use your own trending TikTok or Reels video link. Now, let's create our first viral replica. First, click Reference Video to add the viral video you want to recreate. You can paste a TikTok or Reels link, or simply select one of the trending videos shown below. Next, Click Upload Image and upload the image of your product that you want to place inside that viral video. For best results, make sure your product image is clear and has a clean background. After confirming both the video and product image, select your preferred video dimensions. Now, click the arrow button to start the generation process. At this stage, the agent will begin AI analysis and rendering. This usually takes only a few minutes. During the process, the agent may ask you a few quick questions. Just answer them and your viral video will be automatically completed. Once it's ready, you'll be able to preview the final output. You'll notice that the cinematography, camera movement, transitions, and pacing will look almost identical to the original viral video, but now your product will be perfectly placed in the scene. Once you're happy with the final version, simply click Download. You can download the video in high-definition MP4 format and instantly publish it on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or any short-form platform to start your viral ad campaign. So now you've seen how you can create full UGC ads with Product Avatar, and how you can turn any viral TikTok or Reels video into your own branded ad using Viral Video Agent, without camera, without studio, and without hiring any influencer. This means you can start your own brand, promote any product, and run ads like big companies, but using only AI. Now let me ask you something in comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and save this video, because your next viral ad might start from here.